Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to your class of science. As you know, we were studying Unit 3, the periodic table. Now we will proceed further and we will study the elements of the periodic table. At the end of today's lesson, you will be able to learn the arrangement of elements in groups and periods, the names of different groups and their number of electrons. The periodic table is a tabular display of the elements. It displays 118 elements, and the elements are arranged on the basis of their atomic numbers. Elements within each group share similar properties. Here is an example of an element which is represented by a chemical symbol P. Its name is phosphorus. So on the periodic table, the symbol is represented, along with it the atomic number is written and the atomic mass is also given. Periods. In the periodic table, the horizontal rows are called periods. They are from left to the right. Total number of periods are 7. The first period contains only 2 atoms, which are hydrogen and helium. In the given diagram figure, you can see at the top, in the first period, at the top there are only 2 boxes, means only 2 elements are present in the first period. Groups. In the periodic table, the vertical columns are called groups. They run from top to the bottom. The total number of groups are 18. The groups are numbered starting from group 1, which is at the left hand side. Elements within each group share similar properties. We will study each group in detail and then you will come to know that how elements within each group share the similar properties. Group 1. Elements in the group 1 are called alkali metals. This is because when they react with water, they form alkaline solutions. That's why the name alkali metals is given to them. All elements possess one electron in the outermost shell. This is the property which is common for all elements in the group 1. As the name indicates, it's group 1. So every element in group 1, it has one electron in the outermost shell. All elements are highly reactive. Why? Because they are unstable. For stability, they need at least 2 or 8 electrons. So one electron is unstable. That's why they are highly reactive. They react with other elements to form bonds with them, to share electrons, to gain electrons and to become stable. They are unstable. That's why they are highly reactive. Some examples of group 1 elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium. Now look at the figure. These are the elements of group 1. I will tell you an easy hint to remember these names of elements in the same sequence. Look, Hali neki Rab se faryad. Hali was the name of a poet, so you can remember this. Hali neki Rab se faryad. Ha hydrogen, li lithium, ne sodium, ki potassium, Rab rubidium, se cesium, francium, faryad. In this way you can learn the names of the group 1 elements in a sequence. Let's proceed to group 2. Elements in the group 2 are called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Alkaline metals because when they react with water they form alkaline solutions. And the name earth this term was applied by early chemists to the non-metallic substances. Therefore they are called alkaline earth metals. As it is group 2, so all elements in this group will possess 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Some examples are beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Now again I have a hint to give to you to learn the sequence of the group 2 elements. Look at the group 2 in the figure. Belgium, magnesium, this group. Okay? So the hint is Belgium ka surface bada. Belgium ka surface bada means Belgium. Beryllium, Belgium, magnesium, ka calcium, surface strontium, bada barium and radium. In this way, through the hints you can learn it easily. It will help you in the future as well. Group 3, as the name indicates, all the elements in the group 3 must have how much electrons? 3 electrons in their outermost shell. Group 3, 3 electrons. Some examples are boron and aluminium. Group 4. The group 4 elements have 4 electrons in their outermost shell. This is called carbon family. And the examples are carbon, silicon, tin, lead, germanium. Let's recall about the periodic table. The periodic table is divided into horizontal periods and vertical groups. The four groups which we have studied are alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, then group 3 and the carbon family. The group number represents the number of electrons in the outermost shell. The examples of alkali metals are hydrogen, alkaline earth metals is magnesium, group 3, boron and silicon belong to the carbon family. I hope it's clear. So now it's your homework task I am giving to you. Test yourself, page 40 of your book. The first 3 questions you have to do as homework. Write down the group numbers for carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. The periodic table is given in your book, page number 138. You can take help from that and you have to write the group numbers of the given elements. Question number 2. Where in the periodic table do you find the precious metals gold, silver and platinum? You have to locate them, their group number and period number. Question number 3. Write down the names of the elements having these symbols. You will write the names of the elements. I hope it's clear and you will do it easily. Thank you.